By now, if you don't know what TikTok is, are you really on social media? Check it out. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another sit down video. If this is your first time tuning in, please do me the honor of hitting the subscribe button down below. Subscribe to more juicy content from moi. If I didn't talk about how to make money on TikTok, would I really be an entrepreneurship channel? As part of the strategies for promoting your business, marketing on TikTok has to be one of the biggest strategies to promoting your business. I know I've never talked about social media marketing here, but this year we are trying something new. For today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use TikTok to market your business. Basically, how you're gonna promote your business via TikTok. First off, if you don't know what TikTok is a social media platform where people make 15-second videos to 1-minute videos on anything, like absolutely anything, from short videos on creativity to dancing to challenges. Basically everything you can think about, they do it on TikTok. Now, how do you want to market your business via this platform that has over 500 million viewers every day? Now, here's how you can determine if marketing on TikTok is for you. The first thing you need to do is sit back and study the platform. Like, what is this platform actually like? In the past couple of years, we've all noticed that the attention span of the average human being is it's this small, guys. It's very small. So for you to grasp the attention of any viewer, you need to be able to pass across information in the first 10, 15, 20, 30 seconds at best for you to be able to capture any viewer's attention. That is what TikTok has capitalized on. TikTok targets the first 10, 15, 30 seconds to 1 minute of your attention span to make sure that whatever it is you're watching has captivated your mind and is able to give you as much information within that short period as possible. Now, while you're studying the TikTok platform, you need to also study the different types of videos, the different ways people are creating videos, and how you can use that and tailor it towards promoting a video of yours. Let me give an example here. If you have a catering business and you're trying to see how you can drive people to your business, you can create a short video on your cake baking process. What do I mean by this? Create a video on TikTok showing your cake baking process from baking to decorating to the finished product. Those short clips are able to captivate people and tell them that, look, this person has a business on baking and he or she is extremely skilled with either decorating or the process of even making the cake is quite interesting, and that's something you would like to purchase for yourself. That's how you capture your viewers' attention. After studying the platform, the next thing you need to do is to create fun content. Remember I said if you're a cake baking business, you have to create short clips of you making your cake. If you are a fashion designer, you can create short clips of you decorating your attire. That's if you want to show your tailoring process, or you can just have a model clothes for you and show the different types of designs you can make for your potential clients. These are ways for you to create fun videos for your business that will eventually take off once it reaches the right viewers. Now, after creating fun content, the next thing you should be figuring out is to find a hashtag challenge that you can hop on. Everyone knows, like in Nigeria right now, we are probably the kingpins. I don't want to brag here, but we are probably the kingpins of starting different challenges on TikTok. Like, Nigerians on TikTok have taken it to the next level. Like, most of the songs that are popping off probably in the US or in the UK or Canada or Australia that are Nigerian songs probably came from TikTok. That's how good the TikTok influencers are. So if you're trying to create a way for people to view your content, you can start a challenge where you're talking about your product. For example, if you are a baker again and you want people to notice your challenge, you can start a cake off challenge or cake master challenge or a cake something challenge, encouraging other bakers out there to create fun content with your own utensils, with your cake making method, just to make sure that the challenge also puts not only your business but other good bakers out there and create an avenue for people to know who you are, what your business is, and the kind of brand you are trying to push out there. After starting the hashtag challenge, you can now work with TikTok influencers. Who are TikTok influencers? TikTok influencers are the people that make sure that your video is going to pop off. They started their career from posting fun content on TikTok, and their videos have taken off, like probably like maybe 1 million, 2 million, 3 million viewers. Their videos have basically taken off. These are the kind of people that already have the visibility. So partnering with them will also drive their audience to your business or to your product. And the last thing you should do is to take advantage of TikTok advertising. There are 4 ways that TikTok has created for people to advertise on their platforms. The first one is the in-feed native content. In-feed native content basically means that whatever you're scrolling through TikTok on your phone, you're trying to watch videos, there are times where you see an unusual ad just pop up out of nowhere while you're scrolling. Those are in-feed native content. They're basically inbuilt for you to scroll through them while you're watching other people's videos. So having an ad on TikTok will enable people to see your videos while they're scrolling through the regular content and creating that visibility that you want. Another type of TikTok advertising is brand takeovers. This basically means that TikTok will give one influencer or one business a day to take over their social media page and just create content that will drive visibility to their channel. This is a solid way for you to scale your business. If you have that avenue for you to create content with a brand takeover, please do it. It enables your business to be out there and to push and drive sales and revenue for your business. The third way is the hashtag challenges. Like I said, hashtags are popping off right now. For you to make sure that you're tapping into TikTok's advertising, hashtag challenges is another way, a solid way for you to make sure that you're putting your business, whatever hashtag is relating to your business. And the last one is the branded lenses, the 2D or the 3D lenses. Basically, when you pick up your phone and you're trying to create a TikTok video, there's an option for 2D, 3D branded lenses. This means that if you're having a video of your face where you're talking to people, you can have something at the background, which could be your brand, where you're talking about whatever it is you're trying to advertise, and your brand and everything else is showing at the back, showing basically what it is you're talking about. People have better knowledge or understanding of what you're talking about, and those types of advertising tend to hit the right clientele. So does this TikTok promotion strategy seem sensible to you? One thing you need to understand is that if your target audience for your business is a younger crowd, TikTok is the best platform for you to use to promote your business. Use all these tips that I've given you guys to make sure you're getting the most out of your TikTok promotion strategy. Well, guys, I hope this was very useful to you. If you have more information, more details on the things you don't think I mentioned in this video, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think, and I will definitely respond. Until then, please don't forget to join the community, guys. Subscribe, join the community, and keep watching. Bye, guys.